So this is for my school science fair. I'm making a model for hiccups because I couldn't find anything else online, like no videos to make a model. So I decided to make it by myself, and I figured out one, and it shows how the hiccups. First, you cut 2 bottles in half, or at least so that the smaller bottle here can fit inside the bottom of the bigger bottle, or like here. Like this. Now you take this part off and make a hole in the cap like this one. Then you cut off the top part of a little bit of the top from this bottle from an extendable straw. Then you put that here and hot glue it there. As can be seen here, we have hot glued 2 balloons to the straw. And we are gonna put the straw here into the cap with the hole in it. Now you can see how the lungs inflate. Now we are gonna add the diaphragm at the bottom of the bottle. For that, we are gonna use this balloon and we're gonna cut it. And we're gonna cut it here and add it to the bottom of this half-cup bottle. Now we cut the balloon. You cut it from the nozzle to here. Now we have the half-cup balloon, and we have added it to the bottom over here by expanding it and putting it at the bottom. Now I'm gonna show how this thing works. You pull the diaphragm down to make it breathe. Then you push it up to make it breathe out. Now we have cut out the bottom of this half of the water bottle, and we're gonna put this balloon just like we put it on this one. Now, as you can see here, we have put the balloon like we have put the diaphragm, and we have made a small hole in there for this, which is supposed to represent the stomach. Now we put this in here. And we have the stomach part. Now, as you can see here, the lungs are here and the stomach part is here. When you blow into the stomach, the lungs deflate.
The lungs are deflated.
Performing hiccups.